Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming battery level and preparing tools so you don't stop mid-repair. Once charged or powered, remove ear tips and inspect mesh for debris. Make sure you're on a clean surface and wearing good light. Next, use a spudger to gently pry open the seam following the clips. Why? So you avoid breaking plastic tabs. Once the shell opens, visually check for loose wires, corrosion, or detached connectors before proceeding to internal testing with a multimeter. Once inside, test battery and driver leads with a multimeter to confirm continuity and voltage. This tells you if parts are alive or dead. If a connector is loose, reseat it and apply minimal solder to reflow cold joints. Use a fine tip iron for control. For broken wires, strip 1-2 mm, tin both ends, solder carefully, and cover with heat shrink for insulation and strain relief. This prevents future failures. Make sure parts are aligned before closing to avoid pinched cable. To finish, align the two halves and press until clips engage. Make sure you don't force anything that feels misaligned. Once closed, charge fully and pair to your device to verify audio in left and right channels plus microphone function. Test at multiple volumes. If issues persist, reset firmware or firmware mode per manufacturer instructions, clean contact points with isopropyl, and try a known good battery to isolate faults. If still failing, note symptom specifics for parts replacement or professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.